Okay, so solving, I'm just going to run through this again. Sine of 2 theta equals 1. We're going to be on the interval between 0 and 2 pi. Because remember, we have an infinite number of solutions for this. But we're just looking for, on a certain interval, what are the solutions. Let's figure out what the period is of sine. Period of sine is 2 pi. That means we write it like this, with the bracket for 0, 2 pi, and then the parentheses. Take it down to your basics. Where is sine of theta equal to 1? Okay, add pi over 2. So our general form we could have is pi over 2 plus 2k pi. But instead of having theta equal that, we're going to have 2 theta. Whatever's here is what we're going to write there. So to solve this equation for theta, what would I have to do? Divide by 2. Okay, so when I divide this by 2, I get theta on this side. What's pi over 2 divided by 2? Anyone know? Pi over 4. Okay? And then the 2's here would cancel and leave me with k times pi. Now, you need to use this. Okay? So you must use this general form okay? Or you may miss one of the possible solutions. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in some values for k and see if they fall within this interval. So what I'm going to do is say, all right, theta equals pi over 4. All right, if I put 0 in for k, what do I get? Pi over 4. Okay, that's in the interval between 0 and 2 pi, right? Everyone follow that? If I plug in 1, okay, pi over 4 plus pi. What do I get? That's pi over 4 plus pi. What? No. Pi over 4 plus pi.
3 pi over 4.
5 pi over 4.
Oh, that's what I meant.
Okay.
Because
pi would be 4 pi over 4.
Sorry.
1 plus 5 is 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. So if I plug in 2, pi over 4 plus 2 pi. What am I going to get there? Because 5 over 4,
9 pi.
yeah, I'm going to wind up with 9 pi over 4. Is that in my interval? No. Okay, because it's bigger than 2 pi, right? Okay, so this one doesn't work. This one's in my interval, this one is, that one's not. You could also check negative.
Do you have to?
Yep, because sometimes you might wind up being there. If I put in negative 1 times pi, what would I get as an answer? Not negative 5 pi, but negative 3 pi over 4. Okay? That's outside my interval as well. So we know the values of theta that equal 1 on this interval are going to be pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Okay, so you can write it. So in the interval, okay, of 0 to 2 pi, the solutions of sine of 2 theta equals 1, okay, are pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Yep, sorry, thank you. Okay, so pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4.